Bang hinia pan Reverend Arpu ke bat pet NKBA ningkan esek amai pi ke pajut. Bokajan along ke do NMMU motor amu sikeba ke koi cry ajerding olo Arpu ke do atum ano choden de pusi akoy ke klan. Bhugali bihu arong ajaba Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma Karbi anglong ke wang. Kardom Karbi prime time along penili Villarban Kropi Tanarji Ponik tha beotang ton pen Banghinia Pan Reverend Arpu ke bat pet NKBA ningkan esek amai pi ke paljut Dipurong supiang kang UC School patua klamalong arkoi crazy arni pen ke padu parisura trok siang deng NKBA ningkan esek amai pi Banghinia bang po Pan Reverend Arpu ke bat pensi pajut CBC NEI Executive Secretary Dr. Solomon Rongpi Reverend Benting Teron Reverend Khoya Singh Ronghang Reverend Davidson Ingti lapen Reverend Lawrence Ingti atum pensi la sosai pachun pon Reverend apuna chake chok atum ke Property and Development achun bang sina lek thela pen Hutton Bible Institute Principal James Rongpi Henlo alang litum Banghinia Pan Reverend atum pen aronat dang ateng pen pena analam arjude da Banghinia Phanta Reverend Hoxi Arpu pathe Reverend atuma kimia Reverend aphan arnam ardom pisi here to make pajil
We're so bad cards of team on to on Gizo alun lun bom alun te afan Kanting ke doa tingke ong bilang tan la tingke
Bokajan along ke do NMMU amotor amusi ke bang ke koi cry arjuding olo Arpu ke do atum anochiden dipa koi ke klang Bokajan subdivision angkang ke thenai ki sokachilanga hemla ke Bokajan 30 bedded rural hospital mate Bokajan community health center henlo Bokajan subdivision arada phan panong pen national health mission pen Bokajan CHC apa national mobile medical unit NMMU motor AS01 DC 3902 la pen AS01 DC 6234 humni pilo monta non ke laso humni NMMU motor kaheno ke koi cry jok amusi ke bang chato war sidam bomlo Bokajan rong supia me karatum la sa puthar Bokajan CHC doctor Apan kipachini abatai du olo bonta ano cheden bangwe laso puthak medical IEM Pravjin ben Bokajan subdivision arat apan NMMU motor our side piserak Japan Bokajan arat towar chola nan malam sopor panthina parman birta moin topon iksina Siraknon, Birta Kamay Nanglipan. State Bank of India is organizing a combined mega camp on 8th, 9th and 10th of January 2018 at SBI Depot branch, Lumding Road. Up to 50% discount long po. Loan kachitu une atubapan. Labangso of our side kame endonon. Lapen bank loan chipi une pen chapajok dunon. Have one bite of sweetness in your little and great celebration and occasion. Taste it today at Ashoka Sweets, the Soy Building, MG Road, Difu Market. Blossom Beauty Clinic and Training Center. Facilities available: list of haircut, hair treatment, hair oiling, henna, straightening, hair perming, full body spa, coloring, waxing, manicure and pedicure, party makeup. List of facial: signature facial, signature galvanic facial, signature hour latest facial, gold, pearl, diamond facial, fruits facial, cleanup, normal facial, and bleach. Blossom Beauty Clinic and Training Center, KST Road near Aturkimi Outlet, Difu, Karbi Anglong. Banalata Chaudhary Deka 9435539500.
और अभी एक और भूकंप 7.4 की तीव्रता का
Wait lagi. Ahiring tangrak anlo. Ong dunga tuma pran kidam ta du uta haipo.
Nonjong itung geham bich kimji phansi ji tham bomlo. Nongi pray to duklo.
Nilita hemgimi kimbomlo. Sita lahaya laben asapta nili mathate. Athema nili hemalo extra kipidundo. Athe nili hemgi kimalonge Tata Tiscon SD bar pensi kimponlo.
Tata Tiscon SD Extra Safe Bar lagi texer a technical atum pensi Mesena Factory along Selampon lo. Lasi Tata Tiscon SD Bar ke kaita extra safe lo.
Early Child Academy, Lurulangso, Difu Karbi Anglong. New admission starts from 15th of December 2017 for the class of playgroup to class 5. The new classes will start from 8th of January 2018. The academy provides many facilities such as computer education, secure environment, music and dance class, art and painting class, playroom, audio-visual room, school tuition, daycare, school tiffin, smart class, child development center, etc. Parents or guardians are requested to collect the admission form from the principal office at office hours. For more details, please contact at 9854-143-772 or you can also contact at 03-671-27900.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akinang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akinang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihan amo people thalbir talong wang thulo bugali biho him ke chuarang ajang bong arkoi krepli arni Assam toklang okpran lapen dihan minister Himanta Biswa Sarma Karbi Anglong arong supi difalong nang pali Team Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lapen Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma ang bomai dorap lapen Karbi Anglong ang tuna constituency along kachingdur angri kipa doji aphan pupuang bong bidisuri chipachoy alang li team Karbi Anglong alam arju etapi ingkora troka constituency along mini stadium okpran kachilang kijoy kiaphan health center lapen toklang kipaching thurji aphan multi purpose utility ahem kikim ji aphan RDP dam CM council bohalong kipa do mai dong Karbi Anglong chari chalom ke theke dinga bang pubang phe tumta chutong dun rinti West Karbi Anglong jeng khalong arkoi kripli arni sardokpo marathon ke kat kaching bai padopo sikadin salong pirta nangli Birda kelong tengki kachi ingtipi basa PB pil penthoniram terang atuma phan kachi kimo jia phansi sardokpo marathon ke kat kaching bai pado sardokpo ronghang memorial academy pen ke pado laso kachipate ke haya bangpo bang phia phan nong ekipia mailong NI inspector bularam terang bitungreng thamak constituency VDC mai puramson rongpi Anthony rongpi pen cheng lokpena an ke theke dingatum chitong dun rinti Birta bangkila pansikang ton pon iklo lai bom news channel do me thak me kurwang thu